here we have to check whether the string is accepted by this automata or not. So that is the actual role of lexical analyzer. So the lexical analyzer will take this finite automata for each of the tokens, right? We have 5 types of tokens. So it will check for each transition diagram or for each finite automata for each of the tokens. It will check whether the string is accepted by that finite automata or not. So we have to know how that NFA simulation and DFA simulation is going on. So when you are taking this first one, if I want to find out whether the string ABC is accepted by this, we have to start from the starting state 0 and read the first character A. It will move to the second state 1. And when you read the next character B, it will move to 2. And when you read the next character C, it will move to 3. So you can reach the final state, right? So we can say that this ABC is accepted by this NFA, right? So if you write instructions to the computer to do this job, you have to write the algorithm, right? So that algorithm is, when you are taking any state, that is first we are having for any finite automata, you will be having which are all the set of states used for starting state, right? And you are having totally 5 details are there, which is the starting state, which are all the set of states, which is final state, and what are all the symbols used in that. And one more thing, transition function, right? So first you have to take the initial state is equal to S0. S0 is the initial starting state, and the characters are you are going to get the characters using the function xchar. So that will be copied into C. And while that character is not reaching the end of the file, we have to move that state from starting state to next state based on the character. So if you have any transition from this S on input character C, then that destination state is going to be appended in this S, right? So you're going to copy, or you're just moving from one state to next state. So that destination state is going to be the current state. So S will be the current state, okay? And again, you keep on reading the next character and you have to repeat this loop until you reach the end of file, okay? And once if you see the current, after reaching the end of the file, you have to check the state, right? Current state, yes. Whether this S is present is one of the states in finite state. Yes, if it is present in final state set, then you can say this string, which is having set of characters in C, is acceptable by this automata. Okay, so the same procedure is used both for NFA as well as DFA. So this is the simulation of NFA and DFA. That is the main role of lexical analyzer. For each and every tokens, you will be having a separate automata. Okay, so we have discussed this one, and RE to NFA done, and then DFA to NFA to DFA is also over.